Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change theme in your Redmi phone. Guys, you want to change theme in your Redmi phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change theme in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you change theme in your Redmi phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So guys, now let's start video guys. How to change theme? First of all, open your phone setting to change theme, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your theme. So guys tap here. Guys, you want to change guys online theme, so guys you can change from here, but guys I don't, but guys I have guys my offline theme, means I have already one theme. So guys click on profile and guys click on your theme. So as you can see guys, classic and limited class. So guys tap here to change your theme. So guys we will apply from here guys. So guys we will wait, theme applied, then guys your theme will change guys. So you can see guys your new theme guys in your Redmi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change theme in Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.